If you are also troubled by the locking of the Android phone, then this video is going to be very special for all viewers today. So all the viewers who are new on this channel, I would request them to subscribe our channel. Today, the technique which we are going to use for unlock for our phone, so that none of your application data or anything will be your lost, and your phone will also be unlocked without visiting any service center, without any hard reset or without FRP. To see this unlocking process from beginning to end, stay on the video without escaping. Only then you can able to understand this process very well and unlock your phone, as well as you will able to help any of your friend and family members. Many times what happens is that your when you set the password and or pattern, after some hours or days, in that you case in that case, today I will tell you in a very special and very easy technique that you can unlock your phone. So let's move on the video, but before that, put your phone in must be make sure your phone must be in flight mode and your battery percentage above 40 to 50%, so that your phone is not turned off during the unlocking process. If the phone is turned off, then your application also go into the risky mode and your and any data can also be deleted. And one more thing I want to share with you today, I am telling password for unlocking. If it is not support, then definitely share in our comment section, because this code can also support in many handset or also may not support in many handsets. So friend must have, you can able to see this phone is locked through the password and able to see below on the screen emergency calls option. So click on it, and I am going to share you this secret code which is used in service center also for unlocking. So this code is 90035 a star 985. After that you have to press, I am going to zoom because if you want to take screenshot, please take. If you want to note down, please note down this code. This code is very helping hand for all the viewers, Android viewers, and you can use this code for any Android mobile like Oppo, Realme, Vivo, Samsung, Poco, any type of Android phone. You can use this method and unlock your phone sitting at home without help of any computer or data. So now you have to press on this call on this number. You will get this type of pop-up message. Ignore this pop-up message and erase this code and apply a star hash 899. After that you have to press hash. Now first have to check on manual test, second row device debugging page, and check proximity sensor test. Second, you can click on proximity calibration and confirm here. Come back from this option and check M sensor auto test. This is working or not. So it's working easily. So come back from this option and check M sensor auto test. This test is also successful. You can check gyroscope test and gyroscope cell test. And you have gyroscope cell test, it means you have to you have to start here and you can check, and you have to wait here 10 to 15 second here. You have to wait, and now you can able to see normal self differences noisy all are working. So come back from this option. Now again we have to click on sensor self test and calibration. You can able to see gyroscope accelerometer, both operation are not started. It means we have to start at least one of them. So click on this option without any delay and have to apply this method again and again. We can't go for the next step without this method. So without this process, so this process is very important for the next step. Again we have to wait, apply this method, and we have to wait here. It will take time. Whenever it will take 4 to 5 times. The finally gyroscope is passed now. So come back from this option and there are so many comments. You are using backside of finger for unlocking. You can able to see this phone is Realme and there is no finger lock on backside. So now, after completing all the process, we are going for the next step, and this is the last step, and this is others option. There are 4 5 options you have to given on your screen. So click on database version minimum 12 time. After that, you have to check through the important log test. Important this code, there is asking confirmation in reading receipt complete indicator. So confirm here. Rewrite important log test. We have to confirm here on rewrite important log test, and you can check through the key status. There are so many comments. My key status is not showing on my handset. So it's depend upon your handset. There are so many handset is not showing key status, so this is not a big deal. So this is not a big issue, sorry. So you can check through the reading receipt complete indicator. Now you can able to see this reading receipt complete indicator is passed. After completing the whole, after completing the all the process, we can check our phone is unlocked or not. So now we have to press the home button, and we will check our phone is unlocked or not. So finally we are going to press. So now finally you can see, my friend, our phone is unlocked without loss of any data or application as per our commitment in starting video. So now I hope you like this video. Subscribe our channel, like and share.